to make a special roll we call the orange blossom roll. For this one, we're going to need a few ingredients. We're going to need about 5 pieces of thinly sliced salmon, 8 small pieces of thinly sliced lemon cut into small wedges, 2 pieces of tempura shrimp, some thinly sliced green onions. We're also going to need our spicy mayo sauce. So now we're going to go ahead and start rolling our roll. Make sure that when you put the nori down, that we put the shiny side down on the cutting board and the rough texture side facing up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of water and get our hands wet so that the sushi rice doesn't stick too much. We're going to come over and we're going to take about 140 to 150 grams of sushi rice. We're going to very lightly pack it into a small ball. Then we're going to take it and put it over the center, or over the top of our roll. We'll take our rice and then kind of push it down towards yourself, spreading it around. Now we're going to concentrate on making sure that it's spread fairly evenly and that the edges of our roll, especially on these sides, are nice and even. We're going to flip it over. Now we'll take our inside, which is our 2 pieces of tempura shrimp. We're going to place them so that the tails are here at the edge of the roll and that both shrimp come and cover everything in the middle. Now that we're here, we'll take the side closest to you. We're going to pick it up and roll it, holding the shrimp, roll it over and tucking it in nice and tight next to them. Then we're left with this big flap here. We'll take that and pull it up to meet the rice so that it now sticks together. Then we'll go ahead and roll it over so that that line's now on the bottom. Now since we have the roll rolled up, it's time to go ahead and put the top on. We're going to come and take our salmon and we're going to place it long ways across. Now that we have our top on the roll, we're going to take a little plastic wrap, put it over the top, and we're going to press and cover it. So now we've put some plastic wrap over the top of our roll. We're going to take our makisu and take the flat side, place it over the top of the roll. Then we're going to come and we're going to go ahead and push down, and then we're going to push in with about a medium pressure. And we're going to make sure that we get that medium pressure all the way across the whole roll nice and evenly. Once we hold it for a few moments like this, we can then go ahead and remove the makisu. And now our roll is in a very nice shape. Sometimes if your edges are a little funny, you can come over here and place the makisu at the edge of the roll and just tap the little bit of rice that might be sticking out in. But this roll's come out very nice. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and take our sushi knife and we're going to start cutting this. Since this has a top on it, we're going to cut it into 8 pieces. We're going to start by finding the halfway point and cutting it in half. After we've cut it in half, we're going to take one side and we're going to cut that in half. Then we're going to cut the 2 pieces in half and in half. Now we'll find the other side and cut it in half, half, and half. Now that we have it cut, we can come and take our plate and we can start plating it. The first thing that we're going to want to do is remove the plastic wrap. Then we can come and we're going to start separating the pieces. Don't pull them, but slide them to separate from each other. If you end up pulling them, sometimes the insides can fall out. So now we're going to go ahead and take them, spread them about halfway across each other, and we're going to start plating. We're going to plate this one all the way across the center. When you meet the middle, one of the pieces may end up having a bunch of crunch on this side. If it does, go ahead and just flip it around so you can show the beautiful inside of the shrimp. Now that we have our roll on the plate, it's time for us to go ahead and start putting our sauce on. We're going to take our spicy mayonnaise sauce. Now we'll take it, and since we made the cuts and the lines of the cuts are going this direction, we're going to make the sauce go this direction. Once we have the sauce on, we'll go ahead and take our thinly sliced green onions and start to nicely sprinkle all over the top of this roll. After that, we'll come and take our little lemon pieces. And we're going to place one on every single piece. And then, this is our finished roll.